It tag.
Big Bird could walk on without the puppeteer being seen. And that's because I'm inside. And the puppet would be lowered down over me, and I'd go in through the bottom and put my hand up in the head and operate the head like that.
Oh, well then where will I live?
Oh, don't worry about that. You'll have a house all your own. Here's a lovely
His head was very elaborate. The thumb is in the bottom part of the beak,
When they say action, I come alive.
and there were all kinds of little gears inside his eyes that I could move with my little finger. That's the only finger I could spare.
Oop, ah, oop. Oh, you silly door. Right in my way.
Originally, Big Bird was supposed to be kind of a big, dumb, goofy guy. So I think it was about a month or two in, I said, you know, I don't think I should be playing him as a goofy guy. He has so much more depth. He's a very complex character. I think I should play him as a child who's just learning. He doesn't know a lot of things yet.
Oh, I didn't do my share. That wasn't
We needed a peer for the audience.
Great idea. I could take all the toys out and then put them back in again. And that way.
No, Big Bird.
A character that was young enough to make the same mistakes and have the same problems that a 4-year-old would have.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
Yay!
And no one else could play Big Bird, I don't think. Certainly not the way Caroll plays it.